In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple receipts to Expensify. This is really helpful if you've been saving up a bunch of receipts and want to get them into your account quickly instead of uploading each one by one. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in a whole batch of receipt images in just a few clicks. First, open Expensify in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the Expenses tab. This is usually where you see a list of all the expenses you've already added, along with any receipts that are attached to them. Go ahead and click on the Expenses tab so that Expensify knows this is where you want your new receipts to land. Now, if you already have a folder on your computer that contains all of your receipt images, this next part is very straightforward. Make sure that folder is easy to find, for example, on your desktop or in your documents. With the Expenses tab open in Expensify, simply click and drag that entire folder from your computer and drop it directly into the Expensify window. When you do this, Expensify will start uploading all of the receipt images inside that folder. Depending on how many files you have and how large they are, this might take a few moments, so give it a little time to process. You should soon see each receipt appear as a separate expense item. If you prefer not to drag and drop, or if you want a bit more control over what you're uploading, there's an alternative method. Still in the Expenses tab, look for the drop-down menu used to add new expenses. Click on that drop-down, and you'll see options like Scan Receipt or Create Multiple. Choose Scan Receipt if you're uploading individual images that Expensify will read and turn into expenses for you. Choose Create Multiple if you have several files you want to bring in at once and manage as a group. After selecting the option that fits your needs, you'll be prompted to browse your computer. Navigate to the folder where your receipt images are stored, select the files you want to upload, and confirm. Once the upload finishes, review your new expenses to make sure everything looks correct. That's all there is to it for uploading multiple receipts to Expensify.